Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 11th, our word of the day is inviolate. I-N-V-I-O-L-A-T-E. Inviolate. Inviolate is a 9-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Inviolate means free from violation, injury, desecration, or outrage. Similar words include intact, whole, untouched, undisturbed, unsullied, unpolluted, unstained, undefiled. Examples of sentences using inviolate are: for centuries the tomb lay inviolate until, by chance, it was discovered by 2 miners. We believed our love was inviolate. They considered themselves inviolate from attack. Their privacy remained inviolate. One inviolate rule is that everyone who enters must be weighed. These rights must remain inviolate. Make sure to save this new word, inviolate, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.